morning everyone, and welcome to this Friday celebration assembly. It's the last day before you have your break next week, and I'm really delighted to give a big welcome to the nursery children that are joining us this week. I'm also really happy because we have just got so many Emerald certificates this week. In fact, we've got almost double, which is twice as many as we had last week. So let's see who's earned those certificates. So what do you have to do to get an Emerald certificate? Well, you have to send a really amazing piece of work into your teacher. Lots of you are sending us lots of great work, but to get an Emerald certificate, you have to try really, really hard and probably do the best learning that you've ever done. But some children in our Turing class have done that. So well done to these children: Edward, Abdul Jabbar, Elias, Fatih, Mason and Arwa. From Bob Marley class, we have quite a lot of children. They've done very well this week. Tima, Levi, Xander, Jochebed, Ashby. I think there's some more. Sophia Hilda, Mohammed Aftab, Unica, Sophia. Well done to everyone in Bob Marley class. Next we have Rumi class. Let's see who's got the Emerald Awards this week. Musa, Didat, Subhan, Sarah, Riviana, Alan, Elias, moving on to Malala class. Well done to Nisa, Alessia, Soraya, Mohammed and Amy. And from John Lennon class, we have Nikki, Darius, Adam, Ania, Gabriella. Well done. Moving on to Year 1 and Play class. Well done to Nia, Saba, George, Tiana and Abigail. Bryony and Gloria. And Matisse class. This week from Matisse class we have Barthelin, Tommy, Mira, Abbas. And final Year 1 class, Picasso class. Well done to Zane, Reese, Alma and Shreyas. Moving to Year 2, from Beckham class. Well done Louisa, Fiona and Di. And a great big well done to all these children in Emma's class. And finally we have Holmes class. Rayan, Shayma, Yasmin, Viola, Abby. I think there's some more from Holmes class. They've been working with Ishan, Isa, Maria and Sophia. Well done to all of you. So this week there was an amazing 60 certificates. Let's see if we can get even more next time. Just keep up the great work. So see you in 2 weeks. Have a lovely break next week.